Yes. Putting our remaining copper marans and summer olive egger in their little home. Did you take her tag off?
Oh, no, I didn't. What about this one?
She's not going in there.
Okay. Stay.
We're going to take their tags off since all the same color are going in this one. Hi, cutie. This is not a marans. I thought at first she was. No, I didn't. Look, I tagged her correctly. I tagged her as a different color because she is my Sarama Polish mix. Well, look at her cute little bub.
Relax. What do you got going on? Split toe? Huh?
Where are the other girls? Down there.